Alrighty folks, new topic, identifying errors in angle problems. So any problem we're trying to solve with angles, etc. from our transversals, we're going to look for errors. Installment number 131 makes me feel old. Alrighty. So identifying errors in angle problems, we're going to look at some common errors that come across, and we're going to look at how do we identify and correct some of the errors that we see when we do that. So lots of examples coming down the pipe. Here we go. Find the values of all missing angles. So A, B, C, D, E, F, and G we got to find here. Okay, and then we got to identify where someone may have gone wrong. So Jane apparently has made some mistakes. Let's see what Jane did. Jane says that angle A we can find by using 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. So she is saying that these two angles are supplementary. That's a straight line thing, and that looks okay. So this step is A-okay. All right. Next, she says she can find angle G by subtracting 60 degrees. Okay, and I guess she's making use of the fact that G is also going to be a straight line with 60 there, so that should work as well. They should also be supplementary. So Jane, it looks like you're in business with that one as well. Okay, so then she's saying that angle B is equal to 60 degrees, and the quickest way I can see to do that is it's vertically opposite from the other 60. So far so good, Jane. I haven't found any mistakes yet. Then she's saying angle F has to equal angle G, and that has to be 120 degrees. So she's saying that angle G and angle F have to be equal. Uh-oh, Jane. We got an issue there. Angle G and angle F should be supplementary because they're same side interior. So from here, I'm thinking we're going to have to fix what Jane has done. Okay? So angle F should actually be equal to 180 degrees minus angle G, which was 120, which tells me that angle F should be 60 degrees. So right here we've got a 60-degree angle. Okay, and then the rest of them we're going to have to fix now. So I'm going to say that angle C, I think she did actually the next part right. She said angle C is equal to angle B. Oh, no, she didn't. She did the same problem. Okay, so I guess we're going to have to fix everything Jane did from there. So angle C and angle B are actually going to be same side interior again, or maybe we could even say that angle C is corresponding to angle G. So let's say that angle C equals angle G, which we already decided was 120 degrees. Those are corresponding angles. And then angle E is 180 degrees minus angle F. Okay, so then angle E should be 180 minus angle F because that's a straight line there. So that's going to be 180 minus 60, or 120. And then I think the only thing we have left is angle D, which is vertically opposite angle F. So angle D equals angle F, and that should be 60 degrees. And that's all of them. Okay, Jane, you did okay. You got halfway there. Next, determine the measure of angle C. Okay, and then Laramie has a solution for us. Okay, Laramie. Let's see. Laramie must be from Wyoming. So we've got 75 degrees at A, and then we're going to work our way down to C. So the first thing they say is that this angle in here, Laramie says, is 180 minus 75. That's a straight line. I'm good with that. And then to go from that angle to this one, oh no, that's right. They're saying 180 minus 105. Yeah, that's good because those are same side interior angles, so they should be supplementary. So that's okay. And then to get angle C, Laramie is saying I have to subtract 105, and I should have angle C. That's not good, Laramie. Those are vertically opposite angles, and they're not supplementary. They're actually equal. So this part is what's wrong here. What we do for angle C, Laramie, is we're going to say angle C is actually equal to 75 degrees because of this vertically opposite pattern there. Okay, next one. Solve for x in the given diagram. Okay, we've seen these before. Let's see. Chang is going to do this one. So Chang's solution, he says that 5x plus 30 has to be equal to 3x plus 50, we would think. But look what Chang did. He didn't say that. Chang said that they have to be adding up to 180 degrees. Now, we know that those angles are not supplementary. Those are what we call alternating exterior, and alternating exterior are supposed to be equal. So everything Chang does from there is going to be wrong because it follows from that one simple mistake. Sometimes a small miscalculation can lead to a large error. So what we know is that 5x plus 30 has to be equal to 3x and 50. Aha, that's a little better. So subtracting 3x from both sides, we have 2x plus 30 equals 50. And then subtracting 30 from both sides, we have 2x equals 20. And then dividing by 2, x should be equal to 10, not 12 and a half. Okay, so x should be equal to 10. Okay, not too bad. So the key ideas we had here: to identify and correct errors in angle problems, look for errors in the misuse of properties. That's the big thing. The properties get misused all the time. And the most common and likely mistakes in that is that assuming that angles that are supposed to be congruent, assuming angles are congruent when they're supposed to be supplementary. And then the other one that they make is they assume that angles are supplementary when they're supposed to be congruent. So those two people get mixed up all the time. So be careful. Make sure you know your properties. What's supplementary and what's congruent. Good luck.